Hey guys, it's Brent here with a little bit of mainstream magic, and today I got my D23 Gold member package. So recently I became a D23 member to find out more about what's coming to Disney World and just to be a part of the community because it is quite awesome. There's a lot of things that happen. The D23 is an event that happens normally every year. It's kind of like Disney Comic-Con, except you find out a lot of information about the movies, the Disney Plus, with recently it's been released, and everything connected to the parks and everything. It's a really big event that announces a lot of stuff coming too. That's normally where you get movie announcements that are super big and everything like that, and where rides or lands are going to be announced. So it's a really cool community. So today I got my D23 Gold member package, which is the welcome package that you get once you sign up for D23. And I'm very excited to open it. There's some goodies in here. Some collectible items and everything. I don't remember everything that's supposed to be in here, so it's going to be a little bit of a surprise for me as well. I am very excited. I've been waiting for this package for a little bit. I believe it got here in about a month and a half after ordering. So it takes a little time. Again, it's all the way in California. We're all the way in Florida. So it does take time, but I'm super excited. Let's get unboxing. Get my scissors to kind of cut this open gently. All right, so we busted it open. Now we're gonna, all right, ooh, hold on. Ready? Nice and bright orange. Oh, and it's got the, okay, I'm keeping this box too. That is cool. 50 years of most magical years for Walt Disney World Resort, because it is the 50th anniversary this year. That's so exciting. All right, now to get into the box. It's like a shoebox. Open it up. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna show you what it is when you open it up, because this is cool. So it has my certificate for joining D23. It's signed by Chapek, as well as the mouse himself. Oh, that is so cool. And it has this a half a century vacation kingdom of the world Walt Disney newspaper. That is so cool. I'm gonna read more into this later. I like it. And I also have a D23 Gold member card. It's right there. Has my thing on the my information on the back. Get a closer up shot. Thank you, camera. All right, put that aside.
Mickey's on it.
Yes. Next, I think this is the vinyl. Yes, this is a record. And side A has Bear Band Serenade from the Country Bear Jamboree. And side B has Nothing Can Stop Us Now from Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. That's really cool. I don't have a record player. If I have any of my friends that do have a record player, I might have to go over to their place and get them to play this on their record player. Because I would love to hear Nothing Can Stop Us Now on a record player. That I feel like that'd be very cool. Next, and oh look! The orange bird has made a small appearance in the box. And we'll go next, and oh, this is kind of stuck in its own thing. So let's put this box aside for now. There's more goodies in there, but this is a lunchbox. A really cool lunchbox. It's got that on one side, and it's got those guys on one side. It's got some animations on the side from different Walt Disney World park favorites. That's cool. I like that. This is neat. And on the back, it's got a couple designs as well. A lot of the Disney Parks classics on there. One of my favorite things I think I see here is Figment, of course, but I also see Sunny Eclipse. I love Sunny Eclipse. He's right here. He's in the Tomorrowland area. That is awesome. Yeah, it's got the handle on it too. And oh wait, I didn't even see that. Dreamfinder's on the top. I love that. But yes, it's a lunchbox. Very cool. And we are going to open it up. You can kind of see Dreamfinder there underneath the handle, I think. Pull it out a little bit. And there's not really a way to easily see it on the camera. It's more of like an in-person kind of see. That is awesome. We're gonna open it up, see if there's anything inside. And there, ooh! Okay, I think I'm gonna have to keep these in here because that's just an awesome pin case. So there are 5 pins on here. You got one of the Country Bears, Figment, Orange Bird with the Disney symbol. You got DJ Rex here and the Yeti from Animal Kingdom. So one from each of the parks. That is awesome. I don't want to take it out because that looks awesome the way it's in there, but I also don't know if there's anything behind it. So we are going to carefully take this out. Okay, there is nothing in there as well. But yes, this is quite awesome. I'm going to keep that as my pin case for that. Maybe put my extra pins behind there or something, because that is really cool. And now back to the big box. Alrighty. Now we have a little curled up Pennant, D23 Pennant, the official Disney fan club. It's a little curly because it was in the box, but there it is, a better view so you guys can see. Very cool. That'll definitely be going up on my wall. And that's awesome. So I think that is all. There's like a design on here, and oh look, there it is. There's that design on the back of the box. That is cool. And my certificate. All right, and I believe that is all. Very awesome. I am so happy with everything and looking forward to the neat experiences and special things that comes with being a D23 Gold member. It should be very exciting, and here I have from before the magazine I got. I actually got this before I got the package. D23 magazine. It is a decent size. You can see Raya and the Last Dragon design on the front as well as the back here. And if I just flip through it a little bit, you can see there's a couple things being featured in here. Raya, Falcon and Winter Soldier, Muppets, and Jim Henson. It's very cool. Get a nice look at some of the things coming. Get a lot of concept art that you get to look at and stuff. A special on John Stamos' new Disney Plus original series. Series? I think series. Yeah, series. On that Big Shot. Rather cool. And lots of things going on, like, oh, the 15th anniversary of Mount Everest. Wow. Hopefully they'll fix that Yeti soon. I do remember going on that ride when the Yeti was working. It was really cool seeing it swoop down. I hope they fix it, yes. And oh, look! You do get a blast from the past section in what's called What a Beautiful Afternoon. And you can see some of the older stuff that happened in the parks. For any viewers out there with who've been to the parks at this time, this might spark some memories for you from vacations past. Looks like the Disney Afternoon live at Disneyland had a couple people, people in there. Chip 'n Dale Rescue Rangers, DuckTales, Gummy Bears, Tailspin, just to name a few. And it's also talking about the Muppet Legacy. And overall, a very cool book. All right. Well, I hope you guys enjoy. I'm certainly happy to be a part of the official Disney fan club. Thank you guys again for watching. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, and share. And let me know if you're going to join the D23 club or not, or if you would like to and want more information on what you get with the D23 as I find out more information on exactly what happens when you are part of the official Disney fan club. Because there's apparently lots of stuff that you can do. And I'm excited to see everything and take part in everything. But yes, thank you guys again for watching, and hope you enjoyed just a little bit of Main Street Magic. See you later.